Get off my rug. I bought you something. I don't know why this dog want to stay on my rug. I bought him something yesterday that would be comfortable. Look what I went and bought him. And this was not cheap for my room, but he keeps getting on my rug.
Then get up, get dressed before work's off my leg.
All right, guys, well, you have reached Regina TV, and my package just came. I ordered a chair from, I went on and ordered a chair for my dressing room from Walmart, and it came 4 days earlier. So that's a good thing. It came 4 days earlier. All right, so we are opening up the package, guys, and I needed a chair that was going to support my back because I am going to be sitting at that chair for a while. Hey, pretty puppy. Get off my rug. I bought you something. I don't know why this dog want to stay on my rug. I bought him something yesterday that would be comfortable. Look what I went and bought him. And this was not cheap for my room, but he keeps getting on my rug. Okay, guys, so look. Would you go? So look, I just brought everything upstairs. I'm just going to follow the instructions. So the first thing they want me to do is put this piece together. This is the piece that's going to hold the arms and stuff together. So just sit back and enjoy the video, guys, and I am going to show you some of the things that I have done, you know, to this room. Like today, I said I'm going to look for a chandelier. I really, really would love to make me a chandelier. But we'll see how all that goes because I'm loving how the lighting is in here for you guys. So, this is the piece. Today, guys, we have gotten up. We have moisturized our hair. And I already told you, this is the piece that it looks like. Gotta keep everything in order. And I would believe it would go on like that. Yeah, it will go on like that. All of them will go on like this, and then they have to be screwed in. So this comes with 5 arms. Comes with 5 arms. Slide it on like that. And we're going to sit. So I got all the arms on. We got 5. M2. So which ones is M2? The only thing that I see that has an M on this package is this right here. So I'm gonna go with that. We have to screw the holes in, okay? It even comes with a tool that you'll be able to use to, oh my goodness, to screw everything in. Like I was telling you guys, I have been taking my time putting this room together and I am loving it. Okay, so now here is how they want me to screw it in, and the screws look like that. and they just go all in here. Okay, everything is screwed in, so now they're saying put the feet in. Feet come in the bag like this. So these are the wheels that come on, okay? So we're just going to, I guess they pop in there. You gotta push them in. Yep. So you just pop them in. You just pop them in. Hey, pretty puppy. Spoiled puppy. No, not on my rug. No. You have a big thing there. And he don't even like it, guys. He do not even like it. And it is so plush. It is so big. It even matches him. But he is not feeling that. Okay, so that is what it's looking like. We got all that on there. Okay, so now the next thing is to 1, 2. Now they want you to put the pole in. And they want you to just insert it in there. You don't have to screw that down or nothing. They just said insert it in there. So just insert it in there. Okay, so now the instruction says to get this piece. And they want me to use the bendy parts. So it's these right here. So I went to Walmart. I seen what I wanted online. But I said, what if that chair is not comfortable? What if it don't support my back? Because if you're going to spend some money on a chair, make sure it's comfortable, make sure it's what you want. Some things you just can't cheap out on, guys. You just can't. I am so glad my chair got here. And my little stool that I was using, I'm going to recover that, and that's going to be like to put my feet up. Yeah. Okay, so if I'm sitting in this chair and the arm is down, that's the way it goes. It goes like that, guys. So the screws for that is in. All right, in. And they're going to be in the lower left corner here. So far, as putting it together, it seemed pretty easy, guys. It really does. Instructions are straightforward. So that's what the arm is going to look like once you assemble it, okay? It's going to look like this. And the screws, the end screws look like that. So we're just going to do the same thing for the other side. Don't you get on my rug. And guys, I designed this room for me to be comfortable, but I love for my puppy to be around me. And I said, okay, I have to make a space for him so he can be comfortable and watch TV, because my puppy is not going to be sitting up in no cage all day. No, you not. Mommy love you. Mommy love her puppy. I want my puppy to be happy. I want my puppy to roam. He's house trained. Okay, so my chair is coming along. This is the way, that looks. Okay, so I have 2 screws left over. I'm gonna put those right there. Guys, the next thing we do is, oh, that's why. The headrest. The other 2 screws is for the headrest. So this is the headrest, and the other 2 end screws is gonna go on this. And this thing looks like it rocks. Look like, see, it'll be able to adjust and rock. All right, guys. That is what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like. So we got the headrest on, right? So now they want you to use the seat, and the screws that you use are L. So the seat look like this. It's got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's got 10 bolts back here. So from what I can see, it's gonna go like that. From what I can see, it's gonna line up with the bottom of these arms. So, right, so baby, here, get on your bed. It's just the softest mommy rug. So, L. Okay, right. At the bottom is the L screws. I can say the instructions are pretty straightforward, guys. Okay, so guys, so far we have it like this. Look how that matched my rug, guys. Look at that. Let me see something here. And see that? See, I be doing stuff. Now, guys, I am sitting on the floor on this thing, and it still rocks. Look at that. You see that? So what if I just want to chill? What if I just want to chill? I can chill on the floor, play with my puppy if I want in this thing. So now, here's this part that we put together earlier. But I think that before putting that on, I think this part goes on. I think this part right here goes on. This piece right here goes towards the back. Oh, it's lining up pretty good. So for that, we want to use K. So K right there. This. The knob piece goes towards the front. So I'm just reading the instructions. So let's screw the sucker in. Look. No. Yeah, I got everything tight. I don't want to strip nothing. Okay, so that is on. Okay, so now they're saying just put the chair on top. So you're going to have instructions, and instructions is pretty clear. It's also going to tell you how to operate the chair and everything like that, your do's and don'ts. All right, guys. So now I'm just going to set this sucker on here. This is one of my desks where I will be working. So it fits under here perfect. As you see, it fits under here perfect. Even the arms fits under here perfect, okay? As you see, the chair matches basically everything in my room, from my rug to my curtains, my desk. It matches everything. So let me show you the other desk. So this is my vanity station, you may as well say. I wanted something where the arms could fit underneath. This is not going to be a problem. I'm pulled all the way underneath it. It rolls when I want to get something from behind here. So guys, that is it. The chair works perfect. It fits under both desks. I can turn and do what I need to do. You know, I can rock when I want to sit here and watch TV at the end of a long day. I can watch TV. I can tighten this chair up. I can adjust the headrest, put that down, adjust the arms, and adjust the tension and the height. So I will try to post below, you know, the price of this chair and everything, but I believe I paid $61 for it. And it's at Walmart, and I got it in pink and white. So guys, thanks for coming by, spending this time with me. You are the best. Know that I appreciate you guys because you all subscribe, hit the notification bells, you like the videos, and I am going to keep bringing you great content. So that's my way of showing you I appreciate you. So until next time, guys, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell down below. Stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. And I'll talk to you in the next video.
10